conference. We're now joined by Converge head coach Delta Pineda. Coach, congratulations. First off, gaano kahirap yung desisyon na magpalit ng import, especially at this point of the conference where we're more than halfway through the elimination round?
Hindi naging mahirap po yung decision, naging mabilis po. Based on the last game, so talagang kailangan mapalit, lalo na share na lower price situation. Kailangan namin ng tulong ng import talaga.
And now we open the floor to questions from Vivian.
Congratulations. Una po, paano po pa nakakuha si Donovan Smith and kung masasabi nyo na maganda yung nakita niya right away?
Doon sa last 2 games namin, we really need to tabag yung import. So, nag-usap-usap yung mga coaches. So, nagpahanap ako doon sa league na kakagos lang. We don't want naman yung kukuha ka ng mga 1 month na nakarest, 3 months or 2 months na nakarest. So, blessing na just finished 2 days after nung finals nila siya yung the best choice talaga.
Nagkataon po Phoenix yung first game niya. Nagkataon na Phoenix po yung first game niya.
Ang dami nga pong blessing eh. Imagine, first game with Phoenix, former team of Donovan, then another blessing. I don't know what happened. Wala yung import nila.
Injured po.
Injured po ba?
Donovan, congratulations and welcome back to the Philippines. Just describe your impressive opening game for Converge.
First of all, thank you and glad to be back. I mean, I could have played a little bit better, but I mean, it was a good game. We got the win. I was a little sad that I couldn't play against the airport, but you know, it is what it is.
It seems that with the way you performed tonight, Converge is satisfied with the production you provided today and possibly the next couple of games.
Yeah, like I said, I got a little more to work on, but you know, it's just the first game with these guys, and I'm just glad we got the win and was able to play together and pull out the W.
So, based po sa body language ni Donovan, mukhang mukhang maganda na po yung samahan agad sa kanyang mga teammates.
Maybe because Donovan had an experience already in our league. That's why it's not a problem for him to play with the local players.
Bob, meron po kayong 2 games, pero mukhang hindi po nyo hawak yung destiny nyo kasi hindi nyo na po makakalaban yung Magnolia and San Miguel. Ano nga po masasabi nyo na...
Paano ba?
Kasi po hindi nyo na po sila makakalaban, so nakadepende rin po sa kanila yung playoff hopes ninyo. So ano lang po masasabi nyo na ano po yung mindset nyo in the coming 2 games now that mukhang gumagano na po yung laro ninyo?
For this coming 2 games, we'll treat this as do or die talaga. And we're still hoping na sana makapasok kami sa playoff. Basta we'll do our best the last 2 games. We'll give our best, especially we have Donovan here. I think, we did, what's our score? 130?
130.
130. So, yung missing link namin, I think, this guy talaga. Contribution of the import. Especially on this score. Yun yung nawala sa amin sa mga previous games. Kaya, hopefully, praying na talaga.
Siguro si Malkin, matami siyang na-score today. Last couple of days parang medyo struggling siya on the offensive end. Ano masabi niyo?
Paano po?
Struggling po si Malkin yung last 2 games offensively. Tonight, mga game boys to attack. So,
Justin,
Malkin, matasal. Ano masasabi niyo sa performance niya today?
Bali contribute good today. Even ang mga previous game, previous game kasi limited time eh. But delivery of Justin Arana naman, di ba? We need to sacrifice yung dalawa. Nag-usap naman kasi we need the import. So yung time ng dalawa talagang mababawasan. Kung hindi man bumaba yung performance ni Bobby for the last 2 games, Arana naman nag-deliver. So, but now I think they're both good, right?
Yeah.
Good performance yung dalawang games po natin.
And lastly, what was it like facing your former team, Phoenix? Was there any friendly banter or something?
I mean, it was fun. Seeing a couple of those guys over there and reuniting with them and talking with them. Some of these guys I still talk to today. So I mean, like when I left the conference, but it was fun. I mean, it was a good game. Most importantly, we won, which is fine. And yes, there was a lot of banter with Perkins and Richie Rivera, but I told him before the game that we would win. So still on that.
And that wraps up our post-game press conference. Thank you.